Here we have a Nexus 5, and this is running the stock version of Android. Let's go and have a look in settings, about phone. As you can see, it's 4.4.4. It's the stock version of the current version of Android as at the end of June 2014, but you can get Android L series, which will probably be 5.0, 5.1, something like that. So L series Android, you can get this for this phone, the Nexus 5, or for the Nexus 7 tablet. So I'm going to show you how to get Android L series on your Nexus 5. Now, I don't know if you can see the web address in the top left-hand corner of the screen here, but this is the page you need to go to in order to set up the preview of Android L series. This is not a full working version of Android L series, but it will give you a very good taste of what it's going to be like. So the web address is developer.android.com/preview/setup-sdk.html. And for those of you who don't know what a hyphen is, it's a dash. Right, so I'm going to show you how to download the file and connect up your Nexus 5 and flash it. So here's the package you need to install this on your Nexus 5, and this is the one if you've got a Nexus 7 Wi-Fi. So I'm going to click on that, and I have agreed to this, and I'm going to download it. Here it comes. I'm going to save the file. Right, in order to do this, you now need the Android SDK in order to be able to flash this. So let's download that. So Eclipse ADT here on the Google website includes the Android SDK tools, Android platform tools, a version of the Android platform, and a system image for the emulator. So let's download that. Oh, actually, this is a 64-bit computer, so I'll download that. Yeah. So you need to make yourself a developer in order to be able to open the Android debugging mode. And what you do is you go to About Phone and you type on the build number loads of times, and that will tell you you're now a developer, like this. And then in the menu you will be able to get hold of developer options, and one of those includes USB debugging mode. So now I've put that on, we'll actually be able to run the commands. So that's something you have to do first. Right, so it's very important to remember that you need the Google drivers for this phone, even though it's made by LG. You can go to Google's page here and download the latest Google USB driver, extract it and install it for the device, and then you will be able to unlock your bootloader. So you'll need to be able to unzip files, and 7-zip is an open source piece of software that lets you unzip the files you need for this. So once you've extracted your file in a 7-zip or some other similar program, you can then run your adb reboot bootloader command. So we'll just put this window here so you can see what's going on. So we need to type in here adb reboot bootloader. Here we have a screen saying when the camera's focused. There we go. And here we have the screen asking us if we want to unlock the bootloader, and I'm going to say yes and do it. So now it says secure boot enabled, lock state unlocked on there. If you can see that. Let's run flash all again. So please let this work. Radio's gone. Archives does not contain boot.sig or recovery.sig.
That's fine.
That's fine, is it?
Well, they're just signatures.
And, oh, writing boot, writing recovery, writing system. Right, this is it. We are now uploading L series Android onto an Nexus 5. Well, here we are. It appears that I've successfully flashed the image. And it's given us a warning saying this is a preview version. Let's have a look. So it says, warning, this is a preview version of the Android system image and is subject to change. The use of this system image is governed by the Android SDK preview license agreement. It may not be stable, may contain errors and defects that can result in damage to your computer systems, devices, or data. Okay, the preview Android system image is not subject to the same testing as the factory OS and can cause this device, installed services, or applications to stop working. So you have to accept. So I'm going to log into my Wi-Fi network and then we'll have a look at Android L series. No, let's have GMT, shall we? So, first look at Android L series. Here we go. Okay, Google. Well, that seems to work well. Buttons are all different. Well, I never. Should we have a quick look and see what it says here? Settings. About phone. Android version L. There we go. Let's run a system update. It is up to date. Okay. Look at that. That is very, very different to what we've seen before. Let's get you in a bit closer here. I'm going to unplug the phone. Put your laptop on standby, and we'll get you in a bit closer. So, what does Android L look like? Well, it looks pretty good, I think. Was it going to let us sign in? Is it going to let us sign in? Accounts. Let's log into a Google account. I'll just do that without you watching. Okay, just signing into my Google account. Let's do it. So it's always listening. And straight away it's picking up my Google Play Music likes and subscription. Okay, so we have here Android L. Let's see what the camera looks like. Okay, so we've got a menu on the left there. And what about my apps? Are we starting to download some apps? No, we're not. Not yet. Lots requiring updating. So it's busy working its way through updating all of my apps, and we'll see how well all of that works as we go along. So there you go. That is how you install Android L series on your device. Remember, this could destroy your phone completely, so don't do it unless you're prepared to accept your responsibility of destroying your phone. There we go. Android L running on a Nexus 5 in June 2014.